Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we have a head-to-head battle between two big project management tools, Smartsheet versus Microsoft Planner. So both are powerful but they are very different. So which one you should choose? Let's go to step by step and find out. But before we start, don't forget to check the description below this video. I have added special links for free trial and discount on both tools, so you can try them yourself after watching this video. Alright, let's get started. First, let's understand why they are and what they are. Smartsheet is like a modern spreadsheet mixed with project management, and it looks a little like Excel, but it has advanced feature for collaboration, automation and reporting. Microsoft Project, on the other hand, is a classic tool that has been used for decades, and it is very powerful for scheduling, resources and big project, but also more complex. Now let's compare them. When it comes to ease of use, Smartsheet is simpler. If you know how to use a spreadsheet, you can learn Smartsheet easily. And Microsoft Project is harder of beginners. It has a lot of feature but also a steep learning of curve. Now next, let's talk about the features. Smartsheet is great for collaboration. Teams can update tasks in real time and add attachment and automate their workflow. It also has dashboard that makes data easy to understand. Other side, Microsoft Project is stronger for planning and scheduling. You can manage resources, dependencies and timelines in a very detailed way. For big project with many people, Project is very powerful. Now let's talk about the integration. Smartsheet connect with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365 and many more. It feels modern and works well with other apps. And on the other hand, Microsoft Project work best inside the Microsoft's own ecosystem. So especially with Microsoft Team and Office. So if your company already uses Microsoft heavily, Project is a natural fit for you. Now let's talk about the pricing. So this year, Smartsheet has flexible monthly plans that are easier to start, and Microsoft Project can be expensive, especially for enterprises plans. So for small to medium teams, Smartsheet is a budget-friendly option. For a large organization, the Microsoft Project or Microsoft Planner may be worth the cost. So finally, who should use what? If you are a small or medium team with want something easy, flexible and good for collaboration, then Smartsheet is a great option for you. But if you are managing very big and complex project, especially inside a corporate level of environment, then Microsoft Project is the winner. So final result is Spreadsheet wins for simplicity and teamwork, Microsoft Project wins for the power and the complexity. So it depends on what you need and what is your preferences. So I hope now you understand Smartsheet and Microsoft Planner, the differences and how does this work. So if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.